Hey there, ever wondered why we yawn? It's not just about being tired or bored. Yawning actually helps cool down your brain. So basically, it regulates brain temperature. When your brain gets too warm from fatigue, your body triggers a yawn to cool it off. It stretches your jaw, boosts blood flow, and brings in a rush of cool air. The result? A cooler, more alert brain. And guess what? Yawning is contagious, thanks to mirror neurons that mimic others' actions. So, think of yawning as your brain's AC. Cool, right? For more fun science facts, follow the MedMind Scribe.